The ATC ZTSE-4515-C rear seal installer from Apex Tool Company is a precision service tool designed for International MaxxForce VT engines and Ford Powerstroke 4.5-liter, 6.0-liter, and 6.4-liter platforms. This professional installer ensures correct rear crankshaft seal and wear sleeve installation depth, helping prevent seal damage, oil leaks, and premature failure. Engineered for applications including MaxxForce 5, MaxxForce 7, and Ford Super Duty and commercial vehicles, this tool provides controlled, even installation without separating the seal from the wear sleeve. Built for diesel repair shops, fleet maintenance facilities, and professional technicians, the ATC ZTSE-4515-C delivers OEM-level accuracy, durability, and reliable sealing performance.
Buy now at apexins.com. Apex Tools, built for real technicians.